As part of our facility, we do have a pair of woks. Please note that this is purely supplemental information as the woks are incredibly dangerous to use. If you do want to be trained on how to use the woks, please reach out to either Michael Lau or myself, Josh Wong, and we will set up an appointment to train you. In the meantime, let's get started. The first step, due to the high smoke volume from these woks when cooking, is to turn on the ventilation system, located here in the back right corner. The next step after that is to turn on the main gas line to fuel the woks. That is located here down below. We want to turn it from a 3 o'clock position down to 6 o'clock. This will ensure that the gas is being flowed. We are only using the right wok today, so we'll go ahead and turn on the individual gas line for this right wok. After that, we'll go ahead and remove the wok. Reason being, underneath are a multitude of burners, but specifically, we're looking for the pilot light. This one here with the white tip. To ignite the pilot light, we do have a lighter located to the left of the oven. So, we're going to go ahead and ignite the pilot light. Hopefully I don't burn myself. And we're good to go. Before we replace the wok back onto the right burner, let me go ahead and show you how to ignite the burners. Down below are a pair of either handles or levers, which will turn on the woks. These will turn at a maximum of 90 degrees. And note, this is how hot the wok can get. So, once again, purely supplemental information, do not burn yourself on this. We will train you. To ensure that the woks do not get too hot, we do have a water line down below to help cool down the wok station. That's located down below towards the middle. So go ahead and turn this knob roughly, I don't know, maybe 360 degrees for a full rotation. And so, coming back up, we'll see the water begin to flow. This ensures that our wok surface area does not get too terribly hot. As we're going to go ahead and heat up our woks, we'll turn these two nozzles down below outwards. So, because it is dangerous to heat up the woks while they're empty, we're going to go ahead and use the spatula to safely reach across to turn the faucet on. Heating metal when it's empty is incredibly dangerous, as it will begin to release off noxious fumes. So, we'll go ahead and fill it up with water and allow the water to be safely heated. When you're done cooking in the wok, please ensure to follow the proper steps for cleanup. Go ahead and turn on the wok faucet once more and add a little water. We can go ahead and lower the heating nozzles as well, down to about 45 degrees away from the initial setup. We'll go ahead once more, begin these circular motions to help remove any debris that has encased your baked on while you're cooking. And go ahead and flick the water gently towards the back of the wok. Once there's only a little bit of water left, go ahead and crank the temperature back up to max with the two knobs down below. As these are carbon steel, these will rust if they're not completely dried out. So we just want to make sure everything is completely dry in there. Go ahead and count to 10 seconds to ensure a fully dry wok. After that, shut down your knobs. We'll call it good. As we're finalizing our shutdown process, make sure to shut down all the gas lines as well. So we're going to go ahead and turn off our individual wok gas line. This turns back from 6 o'clock to 9 o'clock. We'll go ahead and shut down the main gas line from 6 o'clock to 3 o'clock. And finally, our water main. We'll go ahead and turn that off. After the wok has completely dried, we'll go ahead and a thin layer of nonstick spray, effectively oil, to ensure that this does not rust. There we go. That is how to use the woks. Once again, this is purely supplemental information. Please reach out to either Michael Lau or myself if you want to be trained on the woks.